Here are some signs that you are in a toxic relationship. Number one is you're keeping a relationship scorecard. That means that you're constantly bringing up mistakes from the past. Ikaw nga kasama mo mag-inom to sila last week. Ikaw nga gumala ka last month. Ikaw nga sinaktan mo ko last year. It's very toxic because number one, it takes away your attention from dealing with your own problems right now. And number two, it's just not fair to bring bitterness from the past and to make you feel bad about the current situation. Number two is you blame your partner for your own emotions. Bad trip ka, uwi ka sa kanya, bad trip din siya. Hindi niya solve yung pagka-bad trip mo, ngayon mas magiging bad trip ka na sa kanya. You are responsible for your own emotions and your partners are just there to guide you through your emotions but not remove any of your emotions or save you from anything. Ikaw pa rin makakagawa niyan. Number 3, displaying too much jealousy. Okay lang magselos ng konti, pero pag dumating na sa point na gusto mo na i-check lahat ng social media accounts niya, sundan siya kahit saan siya magpunta, sobra-sobra na yun. It's toxic because number 1, it displays lack of trust. And number 2, ang pinaparating mo sa kanya nun, sinungaling siya or di niya kayang kontrolin yung sarili niya.